Can you crack this code? Hello everyone, welcome to Sase Maths. Today we are solving 3 minus 3 divided by 3 all over 3. At a glance, you will be tempted to begin with this subtraction. That is, 3 minus 3 will give us 0, divide by 3 all over 3. Now 3 divided by 0 divided by 3 will give us 0 all over 3, and a 0 over 3 will still give us 0. This answer is not correct. This is a wrong answer because according to order of operation, which is PEMDAS or BODMAS, subtraction is the last in the order of operation, subtraction and addition. Why division came before subtraction, so we ought to solve this division before we solve the subtraction. Having said that, let's solve it together. We solve the division first. 3 divided by 3 will give us 1. So we have 3 minus 1 all over 3. Now 3 minus 1 will give us 2. So we have 2 over 3. And then 2 on top 3 is the final answer. Thank you for watching. Kindly subscribe to this channel.